Sako ya Baraka Yetu nigo ya irali bagalia bene na guchengira litukulia lero asibanyaga baguchengira abokoreri obabere bakwenana ase okose kuruoso gochakwa kwabo ase banyaraka bakorira buna nigo barachikwenda kurwa abokoreri bobwenderete ase ababwatani babo na gutumanya mulikito Sam Miyenda
na nchare muyo kwene kiuchumi yense ya Kenya ngo kinere Sako ya Baraka Yetu nigo yairali baga ase litukulia lero na guchengera abokoreri bwaye
usidi kubariki Baraka Yetu Sako na uipe Roho Mtakatifu aendelee kuiongoza
gokwana asomo yigoyo nigo bairali bagerio kulia ira yokogendera kurwa abokoreri bwabo chesa abantu barugongo rwa gusi ase babasegeta kobeka chibesa chabaroro.
We are committed to service. We are member-centric society, and we're looking forward that even as we expand our office is not a new office, it's been in existence, but we want to make it more elaborate in terms of meeting your expectation as our members.
Esegeto nigo ya rugo chia sabanto kwene kiango korabare obonchereri ubora abakonya aso kwene ke uchumi ya kinire.
Hapo unaweza kuchukua mkopo wa kuweza kufanya maendeleo yako ya kibiashara, maendeleo yako ya kinyumbani na hata kuinua watoto wako mambo ya kimasomo.
Tunamusana oro ubwate utaite wakole biashara mulete ase within 6 months anyole chibesa elinde abantu baito bekonye baka wagro ndende bataninga ki
abantu nigo basabire okweriki ase sakeywe bunenchera yemo yo gwekinia kiuchumi
chibese chote to bekase sako na lekire montaña ole kire kiae ejamii yaito egro na rio amagendera toka asense
muingie kwa sako zenye zinajulikana na serikali na zinaweza kuwasaidia. We need to grow the economy of Kenya. Now this is the only way. You go to these circles, unajisaidia na pesa kidogo, you go and multiply. Si hivyo?
When the circle you are investing in, na matumaini ile kubwa eti baadaye baada ya hii kazi wanafanya baada ya kupewa loan na kulipa vizuri with the interest ile imewekwa, and you are expecting that out of your deposits you are going to get what? Returns in terms of dividends.
Kuripoti rege tasini kiaga tembe, Sam Miyenda.